Good morning. Today, we're going to take a conscious effort to take a conscious walk so we may hear the excitement of nature, so we may clear our minds, feed our soul, and enlighten our spirits. So let's take a breath. Today is about taking a conscious walk. Welcome back. I am Bashira, and we're taking a slow stroll in the park, feeling every vibration of wellness that we feel circulating within the air, the breeze. As we walk, we see the trees, we feel that heightened energy. We're sending love back to Mother Nature. We're walking with ease. We're walking with compassion. We are walking with empathy. I stress that word a lot. And love. Let's take a breath as we walk easy. Take a moment to feel the vibration. Not only be with it, but be in it. I am in it today. It feels so good to be here and to be alive. Let's take a moment. We're strolling slowly yet softly. Also, today is a beautiful day. It is not too hot right now. It's just perfect. It's a little sun here. We're grateful for that. We're staying in alignment with how we feel, connected to our inner selves, feeling every moment, every movement. We're walking flawlessly, effortlessly. We're taking like gentle steps. And we are being mindful to breathe with each step. We hear the birds chirping. They're telling us we're doing a good job. Nature is sending us energy so we can continue on this gentle path that we're on. So let's take a moment and just breathe with it. Stay with it. Smile from the inside out. Pat yourself on the shoulder. Job well done. Slow it down a little bit. You want to get too excited walking fast, but take your time just to walk. Walk and affirm to yourself that you are well. With every step you take, feel excited about it. Know that you are doing the right thing for your inner self and for your body. Movement is key to well-being. Keep it going and keep it moving. Breathe. Keep it going, keep it moving, and breathe. Look at all the nature around you. You see it. It is absolutely exquisitely beautiful. Take a breath. Keep it going. You got this. Stay with the vibration of wellness. Echo and say it loudly. I am here and proud to be. I am vibrating high on love energy. Each breath that I take keeps me alive. I am grateful to be able to breathe with ease. I am grateful for being able to see the green that lives and is around me. Let's take a moment, look at a tree, send gratitude. Thank you for being here. Beautiful trees all around us. Let's take a moment as we walk. We'll be ending our stroll shortly. I want you just to slow down your walking. Now if you can swing your arm back and forth and let it swing softly. Yes. Allow yourself to feel the joyful energy that you feel. And breathe. Breathe easily. It is a joy. I'm enjoying myself. Walking, strolling, hearing, listening to nature, seeing the beautiful trees. I'm enjoying. Let's keep it moving. Keep it strolling. Job well done. Breathe as you bring your consciousness to full enlightenment for the fact that you took time to take a stroll today. Yes, listening and strolling with nature, being in that divine energy, so important. Let's just go over to a tree. Let's step on nature. Don't forget to ask permission. Let me step on the grass. Mother, may I enter your sacred space? Wait and listen for a response. Take a breath. Move slowly, approaching the tree. Good. Touch it. Thank you, Mother Nature, for allowing me to be here. Thank you. Hug the tree. It was a beautiful stroll. Thank you for being here. It is an amazing, amazing day. Enjoy. I am Bashira. If you can connect with this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Life is abundantly full of joy. I affirm it, and we can affirm it and allow it to be that way. So it is.